How you doing, guys? I don't know if this is gonna come out or not come out. I don't think so. It's a little dark down in there. I forgot to bring a light with me. I haven't put lights in here yet. So I was gonna show Ruben the line lock. Oh, we got all the numbers on here. Let's gotta put the arrow on. Down there, there's two items down there. One of them, all the way to the back, is an adjustable proportioning valve, and the one just forward of it is my line lock. So, comes right out of the master, goes into the line lock, then does my front brakes. What Ruben has, you have something a little different, Ruben. You have a combination valve. Combination valve is exactly the way it sounds. It's a proportioning valve, and it also has that spool valve that slides side to side. So if you lose half your brakes, say the rear line blows out, the spool valve slides over and closes off the rear brakes, so you still have front brakes to a point. And as it slides over, there's a machined part in the land, and as it slides over, your little switch goes out of the machine part and raises up and turns on the light. That's usually the way most of them work. And yours has that in combination with a rear proportioning valve, which limits brake pressure to the rear. So when you slam on the brakes, you don't get all 1,500 pounds of pressure to the rear. It might be limited down to 600, 200, 800, whatever they chose. With this setup, I could dial it in. I'll be honest with you, I have it wide open, and I've never had a problem with the rear brakes locking up, and the car stops nice. I've skidded the front with wider tires than this on it. So yeah, I was hoping I had more light where you could see better, but I don't think you're going to be able to. You can see the lines going down to it. That's about all you're going to be able to make out. And there's different ways of wiring it. Make sure I left this thing in park. Having a habit of leaving it in neutral all of a sudden. I think it's age. Yeah, you're definitely not going to be able to see in here. But I just have a button on the side of my shifter. Hear it clicking? Now this shifter, shifter knob didn't have a button. I drilled that and ran the wire in there myself. So, I guess that's about it. We're going to be driving this baby soon. Got to come here and hook up some lights, move all that junk to the back, slide my car forward, and give it a cleaning for the summer. So we'll be working right out of here when we have to clean this thing and stuff like that, unless it needs a wash. And as soon as you see us start to spray, we'll be doing the hood on this, and the hood will be going on. So if Junior's car goes white for now with a black hood, we're going to be doing both the hoods at the same time. So then this one I'll just drive home, put the hood on, and drive it back here. So yeah, this place is nice. This is right next door to where I work, so I can always keep an eye on it while I'm here at least. And that's about it. Haven't done anything with this stuff. I will. Just haven't had the time. So now, like I said, we'll move it to the back. So, I left my headlights on in the Corolla. Yeah. So with that said, there is Ruben's Convertor. I took possession of it yesterday. I'm going to bring it up to Lake Compounds next time I see Ruben, and that'll be it. Like I said to Ruben, if he needed it ASAP, the guy I got it from will be in New Haven tomorrow on Friday. So he would have gladly brought it up, and Ruben could have met him in New Haven. But since Ruben doesn't need it for a couple more weeks, I'll bring it up to him. So, like I said, the fluid in it's spotless. I checked the hub. I taped it like that. He has less than 600 miles on this thing. So now we just had a custom billet one made. That's I think 4,000 stall, and it's gonna hit hard at 4,000. There's all different ways of going. We'll go through that when I do a converter video. But yeah, this thing custom made. I know the back half of it. It's actually the front half. This is the back half of the converter, just so you guys know. The part that goes to the flex plate is considered the front. So the front of his converter, and most of it, is all billet. And then they make it the specification to his engine size, his horsepower. He knows all those things. He's had the car on the chassis dyno. The car's already been tuned. That's the car that's running the 85. This is from the blue Chevelle, if you guys remember, after he put the LS in. So he pulled out a 454. So, okay guys, let's go close it up. It's nice to look in here and see the wagon. She wants to run. I can tell she wants to run. Okay guys, that was it. After sitting all that time, that's how she started.